Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is messy. It needs to be done. So what we'll be doing today is my thank you. If I keep like getting distracted, my son he's on the floor playing, so please don't mind that. But today we're gonna be doing my wash and go, because this is a 4-day-old twist out and I need to do my hair. So we are just going to jump into the video, and yeah, you guys will see how I do my wash and goes. Oh, and this stuff over here is like stuff from a baby shower, because we're having a baby, so he should be due like in a month. But let's jump into the video. Okay, so some of you guys might notice my hair is like a little shorter than what it usually is. I did thank you. Thank you. I did cut my hair. I cut it June 22nd, and it's already been a month. It's July, so I've already got some growth back, which is good progress. But I cut it because like it just wasn't as full as it used to be. It was like looking kind of boring, I guess. But anyways, what we're going to be using today in this video is we're going to use our spray bottle. We're going to use my favorite Tangle Teezer. And then the two products that I am going to use, which I found work really good with my hair, is, you guys might have seen this product before, the Garnier Fructis Style Curl Treat Smoothly Defining Cream. And then the other one I'm going to use is the Garnier Fructis Style Curl Treats Jelly Shaping. It's like a gel. So it's pretty much just going to give me hold, and this one is going to give me moisture. So let us get into this wash and go. Oh yeah, and last but not least, what we're going to use for this video is some oil. This is my go-to. I've been using this since high school, and it's really like made a difference in my hair. It kind of made it grow. When my hair did grow, like as long as it got, like people were asking me what I put in my hair, and this, people, is what I use. So yeah, we're gonna use this as well. Alright, so I'm gonna start by sectioning my hair off. I always start with a medium type of part in the back, just because my hair is thinner in the back. It's not thinner, it's just more coarse. I am mixed, so I have different textures in my hair. Okay, so about this much. So it seems like on this side of my hair, the curls are more defined, or there's more water, so it adds more moisture. And this side kind of looks kind of dry, not as moisturized. So you guys aren't gonna see, but what I'm gonna do is have it look like this side. I'm gonna just spray a little water, but I forgot to show you guys that, and I'll explain later on why I do that. So after I do the back, section it in half, and then I'll do both sides. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the sides, and then get back to you guys with the result. And for the last, like once I get towards the front, I do the cream, oil, the gel, and I just finger detangle it. I do about 5 drops. It kind of eliminates like the frizz. That eliminates most of this. Start at the bottom. And then if it's still frizzy at the bottom, because sometimes it'll dry up, I'll just spray it. And it's like more defined. And that's pretty much it. I will come back when it dries. I don't think the light in my room did any justice, so I just had to get close up of the definition. Usually like the top of my hair doesn't really curl right, but look at those curls. These are the results when my hair dries from the wash and go. And then I'll just like to play with it a little because it's too even, like it's blunt. So what I usually do is move like one side over to give it more volume. Just play with it a little to give it some volume so it's not all like bunched up. Alright, so if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I will see you guys in my next video.